This is how we can change the default calling app on the iPhone. So for that, we need to go to the settings, and at the bottom of the main page, you should be able to find the apps menu. So click on apps like this. And literally the first thing in this page is called the default apps. So this is what I want you to click on. And this is a page or a menu which allows you to select all of the default apps for various different categories, like the default web browser and a mail app and so on. And one of them is definitely going to be the calling. So as you can see, for making phone calls, I can tap on it like this, and it depends on how many or which apps you have installed on your device. But for me, it currently gives me the selection between the regular cellular phone calls, right, which are over the carrier. Then we have the FaceTime audio, WhatsApp, Zoom, and Teams. So I can kind of like decide which is the first preferred way of making a phone call. For example, I have a phone number somewhere in the messages or in the notes, and if I tap on it to make a phone call, which is going to be the app or service used to get there. Right, so you can see for me, I still like to keep it at a cellular because I usually keep the phone calls over the regular phone number, but you can choose whatever you want. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more if you like this video, and I'll see you later.